Okay, so you finally have a house locked up and you have to decide, am I going to be a wholesaler on this one, or am I going to be a flipper on this one? There are a lot of big decisions that go into that. Now, wholesaling in general is a lot easier. You don't have to know as much. As long as you have a deal that makes sense to a flipper, you present it to a flipper or someone who wants to invest in that property, and they can do all the numbers for you. Now, if you're going to flip a place, which is something that I did before I actually wholesaled, you run into a lot of other things. Do you have a team in place? Do you have somebody that can help with your numbers? Do you have a good construction crew? Do you have the funding? Do you have the money to pay for maintenance costs? All those things that go into a flip. There's a lot more to lose on a flip, whereas with a wholesale, you can make money quick and get out of there. Now, let's be real though, flipping is a lot sexier than just wholesaling a property. We've got houses that we finished and they look great. They're all over our social media, so we get it. But when you get a property, it's important to look at the pros and cons of flipping a house. And a lot of times it just makes sense to wholesale it off to somebody, take your money, and start again.